Okay, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your free ringtones from your music library and import them into your iPod, all on your iPod, using Ringtone Maker and iFile. So, we're just gonna be using the music from your music library. First things first, you wanna go to App Store, and you're gonna download Ringtone Maker, free. I'll wait for a minute to. I already have it downloaded, so. Then you want to gonna go into Ringtone Maker. It takes a minute to load, but select the song by clicking that button. Use the Legend of Zelda rap. Oh, yeah, it crashed. It may do that, but just stick with it. Oh, crashed again. That may be a corrupted song file, so I guess I'll try a different song this time. Let's do Chain Hang Low. Okay, the cool thing about this is you can set where you want the ringtone to start, where you can set how long you want the ringtone to go for. Do 20 or 14 seconds or something. I'm gonna turn off fade out. If you buy the advanced version, you can actually get doing a lot of extra details and stuff. It's pretty cool. I just have the free version. Okay, now I'm gonna hit save, and we'll just wait for it to save. Okay, I'm gonna hit back, and now we're gonna exit out of the thing. Now, you can download iFile, which is what I'm clicking above, and you can download that from Cydia, which is basically a jailbroken app store. Okay, so we're gonna want to click all the way to the left where the little dash mark is at the top. Then we're gonna go to VAR, and then we're gonna go to mobile, and then applications, and then you just want to try to find where in the middle it says Ringtone Maker, which I think I just found it. See, it says Ringtone Maker right there, R Maker. I mean, it has all your apps, and so we're gonna want to go see it. Yeah, see, it says Ringtone. We're gonna want to go into Documents. Okay, and you see I have my 2 documents right there, Chain Hang Low. Those are already in ringtone format. The app takes care of that. We're gonna want to go to Edit, click the one that you want to make into your ringtone, and then hit the thing down there. You can actually, I'm gonna go ahead and change the name, take off the 0000. Now you hit Edit, you check it, and then there's like a little clipboard thing in the right corner. You click it, and then you cut it. You go back to VAR. You click all the way to the left, hit VAR again, and then you want to hit Stash, and then Library, and then you want to go to Ringtones, and then just hit Edit and go back down to that little clipboard thing and hit Paste. And let's see if I can find. There it is, Chain Hang Low. I mean, just to prove to you that wasn't there before, I'll go ahead and do the other one real quick. Go back to mobile. You can actually rename that app, that way it's easier to find, that way you don't gotta search for it every time. I'll leave the zeros on this one, that way you can see that where I put it. Go back down to Stash, Edit, and Paste. And there you have it. And since this works for iPhone and iPad and iPod, and since I don't have any texting or anything on here, I'm just gonna use my alarm clock to demonstrate, but if you have the iPhone, this especially works really well because you can actually use it as a ringtone. And there it is in my tone library. Alright, well, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making more videos, so good luck.